So today is about the 9, part 9 here in the Philippines. Heart is Pure Care, patent in sciencestage.com, Wikipedia, and Google, and Harvard Law Medicine. No operation or injection of medicine, treatment and management. How many miracles pa ba? What Malala said, you can shoot my body, but not my dreams. I would like to thank Dr. Yong Rasabal and Duna Cruz, and it means me and Chad Salimbangon, by which mais kailang ma-message, si Richard, follow your heart, follow your heart, okay? Noy Hobson and Mali Hobson, Mr. Nilo Matunog and Roy Cabanyan, again, honestly person, and then a price, sessions about 10 lang para maintenance ni sa bike, and then sa katong telephone, documented, written, and videos, Arvin Ergometer, tambal nili tumaron, world record 25, 2014, Sir Richard Branson and Galactic, by which have same account in sciencestage.com and Wikipedia or encyclopedia, ngayon lang na may connection ni si Richard Branson, again, it's up to him, and by which we are friends on the yung boss paghimo na account, na paghimo ko ng account yung nana, kung makasolve mo, especially to the Facebook, viewers, which nga ako na tayo i-delete ang Facebook, but I've been thinking, nga maybe God gave po na siya, wala nga mahikukugo ni Mark Zuckerberg, nga di ako primero niya, yun ibiya na nung ko niya, again mo po na akong ikuan si Mark Zuckerberg, from the owner, chairman of the board sa Facebook and his team, which na kamot lagi sila nga matagaan talaga niya po income, sila lagi wa mahata, so there you are, yun and Harvard, the School of Medicine, and also British and United Kingdom. We have two websites there in the earning, sa British, about the nakatunan bago na to here again account 1 month isang, again this is the 1 month preparation, 1 month 4 times a week ni nakita mo inspired, December 9, 2014 start, which a lot of countries is waiting 200 plus, and now 33 subscribers. Sorry Lord, I'm fault in my own bloodline or a near neighbors, but I cannot blame them who educated them, again it's the ways lang ipanulti, di ma-appeal na ko, di ma-include na ko nga ako ang neighbors kaya nga duol and which nga start lang ko sa naka-jumel, and which sa Salpa and sa whole family sa compassion ni Sorbeto, ako kay utang kabuton o si Nilo, yan day og naay kanan sa grupa, again here we have a memorandum of agreement that the time while doing the exercises responsibility, but after it's not my responsibility, so 1 hour after kada treatment na mo na memorandum agreement, una unsay ma-happen sa mga ni-rent, ako ang panugaton, but after po na po may kasultihan nga wala na po labot, kasi nag budong gabaw sa dito ako manubag, again wala na to ko kay ingon man si attorney, and then this week mo ang program, 1 month program, week 1 and 2 4 times a week, then week 3 and 4 2 times a week, so total of 1 month na, CE laboratory test, by which lang European and American and African and the whole country nga review, supportan ni mupalit mo Arvin Ergometer, you have the ideas how to use it, the proper, because this is based on the stress test from the Harvard University and Medical School, John Hopkins School of Medicine, American Heart Association, and British Heart Foundation. The Heart is Pure Care, no operation or injection of medicine, then Arvin Ergometer, specialized in tambal, exercise daily tomorrow, tambal daily tomorrow for REM, Arvin Ergometer, Sinulo Festival in here. So one more time here, again this is the program, again you can follow it, the training program is 1 to 5, then water station 5 minutes, every time water station 5 minutes, again I'm done, then here nalantay ko, and here we are also in here, the encyclopedia, Wikipedia man to sa mga bago, here, kaya ko uniqueness ani here, Heart is Pure Care, in the Wikipedia copyrights, there, the sciencestage.com, here, and here, again, sudlala na ninyo kung ipanulti, kung makakuha, again, Sir Richard Branson, thank you, this is, again, ako na lang gigamit niya, libro na, mao man yung mga historia, and this is my graduation, and my mom, unique kayo akong brothers and more, there ako, then akong dad, money dedicated to sa akong papa na namatay, heart attack, which din dato sa mamatay, ito lang isa na ako, dito may siya pato sa gay uniform o puti, nga bawit mo na ako, ako giningi panugalan, so again here, so money ako gigamit, here again money akong baliko, kay karon itaw na nindo lagi itaw sa nga di na ko lumuyo sa tambal, again mo lagi to kanaayo ko sa tambal, but wala again nakayo na sa Arvin Ergometer because based on the stress test ng heart, there you are, again kana kung ipanganlan mo mga bossing, there you are, again designer developer chunlan, so mo na anda, there Heart is Pure Care, and hello Heart is Pure Care, welcome to Wikipedia, there you are, message getting started, the community, getting help, the user, gipamutulan ako para masolve ako diri nga. Gift by God ni siya, no? For me nga, na, no? Here, compounds, no? Mahal ra ba kayo ni? No? Again, so, karon I would like to thank the new nga atong design na kontrata, YT Games Partnership, Rex Studio, yeah, Rex Studio, initials from London, in which they give us money incomes earnings about a month, then lifetime, yeah, again lifetime. So here again the program mo no, here mo ni siya ato again mo ni gamiton tulo ka Arwin ergometer atong ipagamit no, no nga for rent, again for rent, this one no, in which lagi nga nako dinilalim ha, okay here, yeah. So karon again I'm going to the patients house no. So here again para kita ni sa mga pobre no, dili para sa mga dato by which lang karon. Thank you.
Gani sila nga. Siya o kang bata.
So going ko sa akong patients na ito no. So mani lugar nga kanjumel no, atong balikot nga foreign. Again problema ko kay ang humana sa forms, humana ang forms na which lang sa PayPal siguro napadaan naman ang freedom, so which pag gina ko makuha, please no. Again dili kay kumain computer ako argin ito. So here no, diri na to ibot ang foreign. Again this one San Antonio de Padua. Again, San Antonio de Padua, no? So, here's the place of Jumel, no? Okay, pakita ninyo. Akong unsa siya, naayo ba sa Stambal o naayo ba sa Arwin ergometer, no? Kung, so here, again, balik na ko, no? Again, why labot ang silingan mo by which nga bati kay man award, no? Again, I would like to thanks again, YouTube, Susana, then George from Freedom, then Larry from Google, Facebook, Mark Zuckerberg, Rubens from film section, and Zoom in the TV, then our new is about the YT Gamers Partnership and the Rick Studio. Again, thank you for support. Again, karon is about putlan na may telepon, no? May putlan may telepon. Then I have no sorry akong patient. Mighata sino, niya di mo support. Again, di ko ni mahimo gid again. I'm done already the na history. Patang ako ang helping na ni boss na again educate ba no? Kay di ko ganahan nga mamatay nga. It's about nga be open-minded lang. I did this for the ano. Kay kabaw ko mabita na naghani atong viewers. Kay mapatay ko ani madugay no. Okay, yan. Mapatay ka because of education no. How many miracles pa gawits lagi nga karon sa naging patient wa nagigoy income no. Murang di na ko ni makuha without the support of sa mga bossing ako no. Again, Sir Chabran, so this is for you also. Nga manufacture ka, makahimo ka sa mo Space Galactic 3 no. There you are. This is my place no. And I'm going to the patient exhibitor, the leader magayo naguba yung gabi, sorry kay sa Google no? Again, please help me lang kay wali ko di nagipod madano nagid madano ako rito istan. Again, thank you for the support Lord. Ko ganahan nga buwan ako mga loved ones, especially my brother and my mom. Thank you.